Hi guys. Hello. Welcome back to Colette's Corner. My name is Colette and you will not see my face in this video because this is an unboxing video. And I just came home from work and I look and feel shabby. So yeah, that part. So those of you in our handbag community may recognize this package, this kind of packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up and take out what's inside. See, no mess. I see some of y'all tearing this thing open and everything just becomes a hot mess. But look, there is absolutely no mess if you open it correctly from the tab provided. All right. So, I picked up a Coach piece. This is a Coach wallet. It is green, as you can tell, probably. Sorry, my throat is a little bit itchy. But I'm going to take something for that before I go to bed. So if I sound slightly like a frog or clearing my throat, please excuse me. Trying to deal with it. All right, so let's unbox her. Genuine unboxing. Listen, I love the attention to detail. Look at this. Coach New York. Look at this. Yes. All right. This little girl is wrapped up. At first, I wasn't interested in this wallet, but she was on sale for a good price. And I figured, let me try something else because I have 3 Coach wallets already. 4, I have a card case if you count that as a wallet. And then I saw this and I'm like mildly intrigued. So, paper, how to clean the thing. I know what that is. All right, so this one is valued at $178. I think I paid 40 something. It is the Pebbled Pepper wallet. What's with me and the pebble grain leather? But I love it though. I love the feeling. I just love this. Look at how cutesy this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, all right. So I think this is what fascinated me. You can put cards in the front here, which I might put like my ID or something right there. I don't know yet what we will do. We will figure that out later. However, look at this. I've never had a wallet this style. This is how it looks down inside there. And love the pebble grain leather feel. Put that there. This is the back section. Let's open this. It snap closes on the back. I think, sorry, my one regret with this wallet is that it doesn't have a visible ID window. I like seeing my ID card, but we're gonna figure out because my Dooney & Bourke Snap wallet does not have an ID card either, and I love it, so we'll figure this out. Oh, this is intriguing. So I have space here for one. I noticed my Coach wallets, I can fit actually like 2 cards in one slot. So I have 1, 2, 3 sections right here. There's a deep pocket under here. Wow. And that goes on this side as well. Wow. So we can stash things all the way up yonder. Haha. Let's take that out. So if I stash 2, 4, 6, and the same here, I will be able to put 12 cards in there. Do I have 12 cards? I probably don't have 12 cards. I know I have at least 8 or so, but I don't carry all my cards with me, and I now have a card case anyway, so I could always throw the extras in that. But I like how it has this section up under there to put any kind of documentation or stash something if you need to. So I kind of like that. And we also get a very full billfold area for your cash or receipts or whatever floats your boat that you might want to throw in this here section. Yeah. So I like that. And it feels soft, it feels nice to the touch, and it's flexible, it's not hard and stiff. I like this. So I think that I shall be happy with this. And yes, I know it's another green, and it just says green. So for those of you who are interested, you might want to ask me, well, what kind of green it is. It just says green. What can I tell you? Just like my Nolita and I think one of my Nolitas, my wallet, it just says green. So yeah, so it's a pebble leather pepper wallet. I like the Coach button here on the front, and it's just very cute, and the green in the button, and oh, I just really like it. So I will utilize this. I don't know if coins will fall out of this, but I guess you can put knickknacks in here. I will see. It is deep enough, but I don't know if I'll put coins in it really. I have a coin case. I would use a coin case, and it does has gusseted sides. Both sides are gusseted, so you can stuff some extra cards or whatever in there. So we will see in future videos how I utilize this wallet, and that's it. It's just this pepper wallet in green from Coach, and I am really loving the Coach wallets. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. If you don't like the video, well, click off, thumbs down, whatever, do something, anything. Take care, you guys. I am tired. Let me get off of here. Enough love, and from me and my new Coach baby, what good. Enough love.